We should be on right now. Should be live. I don't know if my internet is gonna work today. It's giving me some problems. Hopefully everything is okay. Just in time that the market opens. And look at these amazing things. Nasdaq right away, it's opening at the opening print level of yesterday. So we have two opening print levels here. That's very interesting. So it means that this level is the main level to follow for today. I have to check if everything works. If we are live. That's passed. Okay, that's perfect. And I need as well here copy, paste, and with opening print level sign here. Opening print level sign here. Okay, I hope it's everything working. I don't know if it's my Mac. I'm gonna restart it. I'm gonna restart my Mac. But the live should be there. Oh. The best, yes. Let's see. The live is on. Hopefully we don't have any problem. I'm trying to find what was the filters. I'm gonna go for high CPU. Okay, it's better. At least it removed that little sound was annoying me. So the live it's starting not in the best way, making this strange noise. I really have to improve the mic audio. I'm gonna work on it today, but definitely internet today is not helping me. Even my second monitor is not working. That's the day of nothing is working. Okay, yeah, back on it. Come on. Okay. Everything seems okay right now. Wow. So we opening on the queue, and then we just flash down. That can be a quick breaker test, but we are not going to play it. We have to remember that today there is the Fomc. So what we can expect today is a lot of choppiness. And there is no gut feel from yesterday. So we might have only just a move to the lows of yesterday. That can happen. And that's all for the moment. Let's wait and see and figure it out how it's going to move. We have to be careful. It's Fomc day. You can expect anything. So let's evaluate the situation step by step. Let's don't rush. Let's don't get FOMO. You know, that's something about other probably YouTubers that you find around, and is that they will put you so much FOMO. They will tell you, oh my god, I got this move. If you didn't get this move, you're not a good trader, you should go away and stuff like that. But there are moves all day. It's all depend how you execute them. That's all it fix. If he executed good at the start of the day, that's very good. It's strategy, but don't get FOMO and wait for your setup to come. So we are down from the opening print 35 points. That's quite a nice move. What we can expect here. So we go for the 50 minutes chart. This is the low of the pre-market, so we might retest these levels. That would be nice. And then what we can have in the hour chart. The hour chart. We have these wicks on the bottom, some support here. And yes, we can definitely have. It would be nice to have a retest of the pre-market lows. This level would be nice to be retested before we decide to go even more down. If it does not happen, it's okay. We have all day. I'm not gonna rush. I want one good trade, well executed, and that's all. That's what I care. Especially look at ES. It's not going down as much as NQ right now. So not the best. We have German market is up, English market is up, gold is up 0.7%. So for the moment we are seeing the American market being down. Also the Dow is down 0.4%. So it's all related to the news of today and yesterday. So let's keep it, let's wait and everything we can. Let's don't rush anything. I really don't like the audio of my live. There is so much noise in the background. How can I improve it? Let's see, now this is a different setting. Or maybe this is better. Slightly. This is better. I do believe, okay, we're gonna make it to -60, let's see. Strange. I don't understand what is this little sounds on the background. Okay, let's evaluate the situation right now. We're going back to retest these lows that are, I think, pre-market lows as well, as we said before. Yes, these are okay. but we have to be careful that ES is over the opening print level, so that's not good. If you want to shorten Q, I would love this to be rejected as well. If this rejection comes, I will be happy. I will be very happy. Okay, are we seeing some rejection? Not for the moment. We're gone over. That's very good on our side of not getting Fomc. See, some people will tell you, oh my god, you missed a move. Yeah, you probably have missed a move, but there is another move coming for sure, 100%. I really like this shot. Hopefully we create a rejection at this level. Especially yes is rejecting as well. I don't want to anticipate it like I usually do. That will give me some FOMO vibes. Let's just wait. We have a good entry. We can put a stop loss in a good position, not just trying to aim for the highs of the day. Okay. Would be this a rejection? That is the $1,000 question. Just waiting to see how it reacts. How long we still have to this? I always have 1 minute to this candle to close, so it can really come back down and reject it. I would love to short it if this candle closes red, but yes, it's too strong on the right side, so
order submitted.
if this goes above this level, then I will go long. Yes, if this, yes. Very nice that it did not short right away. We need a confirmation of the downside, and for the moment it's not coming. What is this little sound here? Okay, we're going above. Thank you. We close above the opening print. That means we might be bullish for the next few minutes. Huh? Still have 1 minute for this candle, so still a lot of time to get rejected.
Order submitted.
Oh, I got filled. Okay. And where we've gone for? How much is that? 2025, 1750 means it's 2, 3, 4. Oh my god, my brain is blocked right now. It's less than 5 points for sure. 850, 1950, 2050, so it's 3 point, 2150, 2250, so it's 4.75. Multiply by 2, so it's 9.50. So we are looking for at least 31. That sounds good. And we're gonna go above, yeah, we're gonna go above yesterday's highs. But with the news and everything, it does not really convince me, but we play the strategy. Okay, very good idea for not shorting NQ at this point because ES was above it. So that's a good point of this is a good learning. So if you don't see ES as well on a rejection area, why should I see NQ as a shortable position? It's true that sometimes we have them moving in a different position, but most of the time you're winning if you follow them together. Okay, hopefully this candle closes above my level of entry. That would be a very good signal for me that I nailed the entry. For the moment, NQ very strong. NQ very strong. So if you were here shorting it for more downside, you got caught to this move. Lesson of having both at the same time. So for the moment, what we can do is just now we enter, so we don't have to do anything, then just watching the trade working out or not working out, and that's it. And NQ, what my idea right now is that if we come back at the opening level, I will be very happy to go long for a push to the highs of pre-market level, so around 44. So if that happens, I will be happy to go long. I'm on a Reddit. I'm reading some comments. I have to put this because it's just fun, guys. In the moment that we see our trade work, and we don't have anything for the moment to wait for. Let's go. Let's click that. Is it that one street? Come on. Wall Street. That's okay. Just to have some laughs together. Look at this guy. This guy is the standard of all of us. I was making shipping boxes for a Fortune 500 company. I sold everything worth selling and saved $2,000. The first week of May, I opened a TD Ameritrade account with a deposit of $12,500. Now I'm making bank. And his bank is the account is now at $43,000. Having positions open of 5,000, 3,000, 1,000, 5,000 in total, sorry, 2,000 in total. Overall position open 7,000. Out of 43,000 account, it's a huge bet. Let's remember that. And it's first week. So we know that all of us, in the first period of time, we made money off those trading. And we felt invincible. We felt we are like, wow, now we can destroy it, right? If you remember that, that's how we all started. We were making bank at the beginning. The comments are the best. At least you know how to make sweet cardboard house when this blow up. If you can do that every 6 weeks, you'll have over 12 billion by next summer. Might be able to buy that company you worked for. Oh my god. Oh my god. Congrats on your first win. Everyone gets their first one, but not this big. Leverage up, bro. Here's some advice. Leverage up, bro. Go on more margin. You didn't get lucky. You're skilled. You've proved it. Imagine that 43k turning into 500k, life-changing money. You're skilled and smart than most traders probably with the trades you've made. Get the code, keep the momentum alive, going harder. Oh my god, guys. Portfolio says 0. That's all analyzed trade. Get out of here with your analyzed trades. Okay. I'm worried that this guy is gonna blow up everything. P on day 4,000, P on open 7,000, net liquidity 33,000. Let's see how it's gonna endure that. Oh, let's see. Yeah, not yet. We have to take care of this. If a nice entry comes up, we'll be happy to go long. But we need a kind of clean situation. Let's see. We have the I like the 2 5 minute candle we had now in NQ. Would it come back here to this level to get retested, or it will make a 2 green candle here? Let's evaluate the situation. I think I'm gonna enter with the first 2 minute green candle that will appear. Okay, came back. Let's don't rush. How long we still have? 1 minute. Oh my god, okay. We might try to anticipate it if we think that, oh, we have a new 5 minute, okay. If we make a new highs here, would be nice. How is the 15 minutes? Okay, still bullish. 55. Yeah, still coming down. We're gonna go long.
Order filled.
We have 15 seconds to this candle to close, but I do believe this is the pullback. 12 points, and we go for, how much is it? Oh my god, today I'm very bad with math. 12 points, 11 points, just a bit higher. I mean, keep it there, just a bit. Okay, let's see how it goes. Second trade of the day with the other show counts. Let's don't touch them. I like as well because the feminist looks good. I'm not gonna touch anything right now. Than just this. Not gonna touch any profit target. I've done these mistakes often and often. I will not gonna touch any profit target. If I get stopped out, or if it goes back, the only things I will do if move my stop loss above, if we have a nice 1-to-1 to risk reward and we have some momentum to the upside. Let's don't freak out. Let's give it his time. Trade to breathe, to enter, to go up, to go down. If we get stopped out, peace and love. It's so freaking hot here. I do like the continuation we have in NQ, and I would love to see a continuation to the upside. But wow, that's almost stopped out. Almost stopped out. Okay, that was very close as a stop loss, huh? That's hopefully that picked up some buyers, and we're gonna go even higher now. I'm sorry for the background noise. I'm gonna improve it, but it's not gonna be something for this moment right now. Well, we're flagging, eh? We're flagging, and we're not making. Yeah, hopefully this is the correct stop loss, or we are gonna retest these levels. How long we still have in the 5 minutes candle? 1 minute. Wow, 1 minute, still a lot of time. We are flagging right now. Hopefully the flag is for the upside. Come on, we need a nice push to the upside. I like we are both ES and NQ above the opening print level, so it looks like we have some upside momentum for the moment. $30 seconds to this candle to close. It would be beautiful if that 5 minutes candle closed above the previous one and engulfs it. 20 seconds for it. That is the most important 20 seconds, because now we have the 15 minutes candle closing, the 5 minutes. Oh my god, I really forgot if we have. Oh, that's a mistake from my side. We haven't used that. No, okay. We don't have news. We have Fomc later, but we don't have news at 10 a.m. Wow, I got scared a bit. I was like, freaking hell, if I had news at that moment, that would have been bad. So yeah, let's see. I like the 15 minutes, I like the 5 minutes graph, I like everything now of NQ trade. Good execution, but yeah, that doesn't not matter until the trade gets closed or in stop loss or in break even or anything. Also, we are in a trade. If NQ push means that also ES push, but it's coming back down to us. Maybe trying to fix some buyers, grabbing more long side. My stop loss, I believe, is below the 5 minutes candle. So yeah, I have a very good stop loss. We engulfed the body of the previous one. So I do believe it's a good trade. We have one leg and we're forming the second leg. So let's wait now for it to work out. My big mistakes of the last days is execution. I have to accept that red trades will be there forever, and if I don't accept them, I'm not gonna learn from them. If I don't learn from them, that's very bad. Because if I'm cutting my loss, my profit target before in advance, because I just feel that I'm scared of it, then the next time I will do it again, and I'll cut my profit target too early. So let's don't do it. Let's leave it where it's gonna go. The trade is good, and that's it. It's taking time. That's all the fix is doing right now. Taking time to work. Will be stopped out. Who knows? Will be stopped out? I really don't know. That's just annoying, you know, when you have like I really need to improve on that, on the trying to build a Luxembourg trade, because before I was a scalper, so if I was entering a trade, it probably would take me 3 minutes to get out, 4 minutes to get out, 5-10 minutes maximum, and now the trade can go 1 hour. Yesterday I had a trade for 1 hour, and I'm like boiling inside to get out from that position. But I have to be just not emotional. I don't have to be emotional. That's the only fix. Come on, thank you. Really, it's giving us hard time at this level. It's 415, 120. Was it a big level yesterday? I don't think so. We have the bear markets high there. Yeah, we had some support and everything, but we look at this beautiful 50 minutes candle coming back down and trying to push higher. We would love to get our profit target. Oh my god, doesn't wanna let us enjoy the trade. Yes, it's kind of starting to working out. Come on, again ticked out. Wow, that's a very long time on this trade. I was hoping for a much quicker move to the upside, and we are just here consolidating. That's very bad and ugly. Yes, instead it's kind of working slightly better, where our goal is 30s, even it's over the high supermarket, but that's such ugly situation right now. Come on. Finally. Oh, finally we're getting some move. We're 10 points ahead. Oh, the long trade, this one was it. Come on. Come on, give us. Don't stop us at 3 points. 3 points to the profit target. Oh, come on. how ugly it is when it does that. Yes, it's working very well. Even if the heights of the day is that one, and the heights in general are just above. Oh, very good. Okay, let me close this.
Order filled.
And we'll move my stop loss to the zero. I would have getting target, but okay. Finally, almost like not the perfect trade I would have gone, but I would say I'm gonna close this one as well. Just because we're on a high zone and I like the move we took. Maybe I will regret that I closed it how much? 2 points before, and this one I would have got my profit target. But we're still with one contract in, and we made 6 points and a half on this trade. Yeah, our goal should have been like at least 9 points, so I believe somewhere here. But because we are on pre-market high, Fomc is today, I don't want to push anything. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. That's what we want to see. Push, 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 push. Very good. That was an amazing trade in the end. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Highs of the day are still slightly above. Would be amazing if we destroy them. 51 here. But do. Oh wow, that's beautiful move. I'm looking at it if I should just get out from it or wait for it to run a bit more. It's very nice. Come on. Can we push to the highs of the pre-market? How long we still have? 2 minutes on this candle. We are kind of rejecting right now. This is pre-market highs we're rejecting, and it would be nice to see this really push high. If we see the hour chart, we are at these levels here. 150, 50, 51. If we break above that level, it's gonna be insane. If we don't, it's gonna be bad. I mean, not very bad. I'm happy with my not the best execution, but I'm definitely better than yesterday. So happy with it. And I'm up as well on my little PA account. That's very good. Oh, that's not what I wanted. It's coming back. It's very cool. That's a nice. That's a rejection. It's okay. Just give it time. We'll give it to lower the 5 minutes candle. We'll give it time. And if it does not happen, I'm gonna close with a bit of profit. Not okay. 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds for this candle to close. Let me go to the 2 minutes chart to see how it is. Okay, I see it. See the 2 minutes chart. I'm gonna move it 15 seconds to this 2 minutes chart to close, so I'm gonna move my stop loss here. Very nice. Very, very good. I did not freak out with my only contract remaining. That's a very nice. It can really push right now. We had some buyers here. Hopefully we have a nice push to the upside. Or how much I would give me myself to this execution? I would give me myself 6.5 or 7. I could have done better because my stop loss was 12 points, so I'd say 24 points target, and 15 I closed it at 32, so it means I took 16 points instead of 24. Oh, that's not so huge a difference, so I'm not gonna say I did good, maybe because my profit target then should have been 35, should have been here, around here, 40. Yeah, that's not the best execution, definitely. Come on, let's have a nice push. I'm gonna move it. I want a nice push. This is the reason why I'm getting a bit tight on this, because we have resistance. I don't want to be this beer rejection before Fomc news and we are like rejecting, and that's it. The highs are here, 51. If we break them strong, we might have a huge run. If we don't break them, we might have a huge rejections. So let's don't give back profit for nothing. We still have 20 seconds for this candle to close. It would be nice to close it green. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Okay, I really like this closing green. Come on. We just need on now a nice push to the upside. Kill my stop loss below this candle here. I guess many buyers came here to scalp the break. I do believe so. So I'm gonna try to be in their side. But if we break this low, I would just move out.
Order filled.
Okay, closing all my positions right now. The runners did not go as much as I wished, but we are up $150 and $325. Before Fomc news, I would say that is amazing. So overall, a very nice trade. Let's see how it goes right now. How is Patrick doing? Oh wait, Patrick. How's Nati doing? Because that's the guy that I like. I think he definitely took the long NQ. Oh wow, this NQ might really push high now. And we got stopped out on our runner. I do believe so. We got stopped out in our runner from our runner and it's just rushing right now. Oh, he didn't trade yet, nothing. But yes, I think yes. This was. I put my stop loss below this trimless candle, but yeah, probably this would have been the best trimless candle to respect. But easy to say now. Easy to say after, right? It's always easy to speak after. Let's don't get caught on this kind of conversation of like, I would have. The execution was good. I could have done better on my other 3 contracts. Overall, good trade. Yeah, now buying is just chasing. So let's don't chase. Probably even a short would be nice right now. $150. It's good. It brings me back the accounts a bit higher. But definitely, if I keep growing slowly, in a moment I will have to increase my contract size because I need to pass the accounts. I cannot stay there and pay monthly fee. So it's coming out. 51 is the level, right? Let's remember 51 is the level. Wow, that's how many points are already over? 15 points. That's like Already $30 more? Nah, it's okay. Oh, look at that. Swipe the highs. That might be a nice short, eh? If we swipe the high and come back down. Both shortening it here. That can, no, I'm not gonna do it, but that can be an idea if you're thinking about grabbing the liquidity from the top and shorting. Just looking over the graphs, look, they still really look very strong, to be honest. Nice. Look at this curve we made. This looks like the curve or something that is gonna blow up to the upside. Wow, that's it. We broke higher. That's, like I said, this was a curve of a blowing high momentum. Just evaluating my trade right now. The runner was there. Yeah, I could have been more relaxed on it. It's okay. The runner is not a problem for me. It's more about this trade here. Profit target should have been here and not here. Okay, we have nothing to do right now. Our long here, we had a good trade. We took profit at 31. We could have taken profit at 40. At 40, that was our profit target. We moved it down, so not the best on my side. I'm gonna beat that. It was not the best. And my runner, yeah, I could have done better on my runner. Here I lost quite a few points, but it's okay. The good side is my little PI account is up now finally. $68 over the account. What we can do now is that we can improve the next trader, guys. What we can do is only improve the next trade. Let me see all the other traders what they're doing. Trades by Matt is $155 up. So standard day. He's really the guy that likes to go against the direction. That's why I really don't like how he trades, but no judgment. Until he makes money, he makes money. But I do believe he makes more money from affiliate than trading, because he has a big channel and he has days of, I don't know, maybe $500 or $100. I do believe he makes more money from affiliate of Top Step. So that's something that you should be careful. Okay, here we're even pushing even higher, 25 points. but look at the NQ right now. It's NQ, sorry, ES, and especially look at the 5 minutes. 5 minutes looks like rejection area. We make the double top here, and if we break these lows, it is 4427, we might see for a short momentum. I don't believe we're gonna go straight higher today on the fact that there is Fomc. So this is a breaker test for sure, but freaking hell, Fomc news, this last 3 days has been insane, as nothing expected like all the other Fomc previous days. Usually when there's a Fomc, there is always so much choppy, and today is like an upside. Look at that. Close my runner here, and it's like 30 points higher. It means $60, and that would have brought me a day at $200 on the day. Wow. What the heck? It's insane. These are insane. Let me see. I entered here at 4422. Might stop for, no, sorry. Yeah, 4422, 25. My stop was 4417. So it's 18. So it's 4 and 450. So it's 9 points profit target. So means 31.25. So my profit target would have been 31.25. Wow, here. That was my profit target. I would have been ticked right now. I have to put it in my statistic. How? I don't follow my rules. Let's go check it out. It's another day of this. That's the only things why I'm not trading super well in the last 3 days compared to, like, for example, last Friday, is just because there is so much news, and I'm worried that we just chop. I'm only worried about that. We are just chopping and chopping and chopping. 4.5, 9 points what at the target, and I took, I think, 6 points. 25, no, 6 points and a half I took. 6 points and a half, 9 points. So, compared to the strategy in this month, I am down quite a few points. Wow, we really would have been ticked out, really. Okay. Now we are rejecting. Remember, these highs were here, where we went higher, and we're gonna check them out. If we're gonna find support at this level. I don't like we rejected that strong in ES. So I would say if we were breaking 4427.75 would have been a good short. Yeah, with like 4 points stop loss. Maybe target this level here. That's huge red candle. The only way I will see this, we are already retesting the levels. That can be again another entry, but yes, does look good, so I'm not gonna push any entry right now. Hello Jeff. Hello, what's up? How's it going? we're rejecting right now. And why we are rejecting, if you go to 50 minutes chart, we reject the highs, and we are as well rejecting in NQ. Yes, the highs on NQ are rejecting. So that's an important 50 minutes candle, my friend Jeff. So let's see how it goes. I was in a trade. I took a long here in NQ. I did not handle it the best way because my profit target was at 40 and I took it a bit in advance. Only because of this Fomc news is freaking me out. This Fomc news is freaking me out, my friend. How is it going for you, Jeff? How's today? Trading day. Today is Fomc day. We should not push our luck. Jeff, we should not push our luck. I think we've done well now to get the trade to the upside. Gone for longs where now it sounds like chasing, and let's don't chase. Let's don't chase anything. I don't think I will trade anything right now. Then just waiting, because I feel okay, this can be a retest of this pre-market high, but this is as well on the 50 minutes chart can just look like a rejection. Okay, here we are on retesting the pre-market high, and here almost the same. But we ticked above, we grabbed liquidity. Yeah, let me just, okay, it's much better. We grabbed liquidity, so don't believe we are in a long position right now. We should not go long. For the moment, we should just wait. Jeff. Where are you from, Jeff? Does the audio improve if I remove this? Let me just remove the sound. Okay, let's try it now. Is it better? I don't know, I don't think it makes any difference. All right. Okay, we're just back on this, watching this market very slow moving, very slow. No, it did not very, it moves very fast, to be honest. What we did a 2 legs. What is it with my line? One leg, second leg. Look at that, it's perfect 2 legs move, and we were able to grab a bit of the second leg. That was our idea of the trade. Let's see. I would love to go, to be honest, because it's a breaking retest of the pre-market high. I would love to go long, but it doesn't look for on the ES. yeah, let's don't do stupid things. I still don't like the ES coming back down that fast. What I believe is going to happen here is coming a bit up and then coming back down to this level. We are before Fomc, so I don't believe that there is like big moves to one direction. If it happens, it happens, but we're not. Let's don't get. I say, let's don't get FOMO for it. What is our next trade right now? I don't know, to be honest. I'm thinking that if we come back here to retest this level, I think this is one of the most important level. If we come back to retest here, then I will be happy to go long and try to grab some points to the upside. And if it does not happen, then I don't think I will gonna. If this goes high, we're gonna miss it. It's okay. My idea maybe would have been to enter here at the break of this little consolidation and stop loss above 33. So it would have been a 17 stop loss. That's quite huge. So it means like a 34 target. So it means 80. Oh, that's not 50, 34. So it means here my profit target. We'll see. This 10 minutes is kind of engulfing the previous one, but we are only at the 2 minutes. Let's see if my idea was correct. I mean, I said little consolidation here, coming back up and going to retest these levels. I do believe we should retest these levels, but who knows? Who knows? We are now retesting the pre-market levels. And we're going high. Hello. If you have any question, I'm here to reply to you and help you with any information. Let's see, it's going on, it's pushing, pre-market, breaker retest. It's happening right now. Our second leg, it worked. One leg, we might need a second leg to the downside here. The market goes by legs, so that's what I believe. So one leg, like we said, one leg, second leg, and one leg, second leg, then one leg, maybe second leg, but here it's not working right now. Means this was been a good long for the moment. We're up 325 and 150 on the day on 4 accounts, 142, 148 in 2 accounts where I'm trading breaker retest on macros and on Nasdaq and yes, sometimes like yesterday, and breaks of levels on ES with 1 mini contract. So that's how I'm trading right now. And as on ES, I did not do the best execution. I should have been my profit target here, ticked out, and been happy with my 9 points. Means at least for how much is it? $450 profit instead of 325. But now we are up 51,226 on these accounts. Very happy with it. Look, hopefully. I would be super happy with reject this and we come back down, so we can have a nice long. How's Natty's doing? Natty scalps mini contracts. He took a long, didn't do very well, or he took a short. I'm gonna check it out. I think he was down. Yeah, he was down. Oh yeah, he took long too early. He got stopped out. He as well. He had a resistance level and he did not respect it. I think he got stopped out. $300 loss, and then he went long again on this push. He went for Microsoft on the long side. Don't think we're gonna have a move to the upside right now. There's no reason to have a move. I mean, nothing works on a reason on the market, but I don't believe here we're gonna have a huge run to the upside. Until Fomc won't speak, until Power won't speak, I don't think money will enter for moves. So I think now going long is a chase to the upside on levels. I still believe that we have, this is just the upside, the direction to the downside, but who knows? Maybe he's right, maybe I'm wrong. Let's see how it goes. How is the 15 minutes chart on ES? That looks very strong as well. Retesting these levels, go pushing higher. But we would need this 15 minutes to close above, and we still have 7 minutes. No. Yes, we still have 7 minutes for it to close. So still too early. Still, this can be still a rejection area. And as I said, this can be still a rejection to the downside. Enter right now, it's chasing. So let's don't chase anything. Let's be calm and trade in a proper way. Hello, Ray. Thank you for coming and say hello. That's appreciated. Even if it's for a second and you put a comment there, that helps. A like, a comment, everything helps. Thank you, man. Thank you for passing. Have a nice day as well. Good luck with your trades. I mean, even if you don't trade, it's not a big deal today. We have Fomc, we have Powell to speak. So I think you won't miss anything until 8 p.m. for us. 8 p.m. Yes. So good luck with your day, brother. See you soon. Appreciate for coming. Wow, that's fortunate. My idea was to enter here. Good luck. Thank you. Thank you. You too. Thank you, brother. Good luck to you as well. Enjoy the sunny day. If you're gonna enjoy the sunny day in Netherlands, I think it's gonna be an amazing day at the beach, close to your place there. At least you have a beach. Here we don't have anything. Here it's just hot. Yesterday I went for a run. I think I lost 3 liters of water for all the sweat I had. Very slow in grind right now. Probably the outside trade here was at 50.75, and I would already have 14 points. Okay. My target is at 80. What the heck? 50.80. my profit target will be up here. So let's see how it goes. We're breaking the highs. Oh, and also ES, we moved even higher. Wow, ES is just rocking. So means that our profit target here would have been hit most probably. Let's see. How long we still have? 4 minutes to this 15 minutes candle to close. Yeah, 51. Wow. Yeah, we're just looking at the markets going higher without us. Right, this is not the first and the last time it's going to happen, so we have to accept it that this happens. It's going to go higher. This is not the last time we're going to miss a trade. It's not the and it's not the first time, and it's not the last time, so we accept it and we just see what possible trade there is on the next hours, and that's all. More we freak out, better, worse it is. Hopefully we get 400 subscribers by the end of the week. That would have been amazing. I think Nat is going well with his trade right now. Oh, he closed. Did he close it? Oh no, he's still in. He's still in with his micros, so he's up $22 on the macros. That's very good. Oh yeah, we're rejecting a bit, huh? That would be nice to play for a short side on double top here. Oh, now I see that he was playing the... I do really like this possible rejection. Look at these weeks. So maybe this can be a really nice short, huh? How long we still have to this candle to close? 1 minute. So we have 1 minute for this candle to close. How is the 15 minutes chart? 15 minutes chart does look amazing too. We have 1 minute for it as well. 1 hour. Let's see how we're gonna move this. If we're gonna play some short here. For the moment, we look strong. The candle is closing now in the 5 minutes. Oh wow, that's very huge rejection area here. How many points should be our stop loss? That's not bad. It's like 3 points. We see here, go to mess. would be nice to pull back at least at the opening print level. Thinking about a short. Or if I play the short, maybe play it when it comes back below here, but I test this 4,426, and then I will have more confirmation. So I'm thinking about this short a lot, but just I don't want to get faked out. I do like the wicks on the 50-minute chart here. If I enter here, my stop loss would be 3 points above, 4 points right now. But I don't want to be as well the guy that goes against the direction of the market. Freaking about. This level here, 4430, has been retested so many times. Can be our stop loss instead of pointing for the highs, or as a stop loss can be here. And we're gonna aim for like less than 2 point stop loss. Let's move to the 2 minutes to see. It would be nice to have 1 point stop loss here. Let's see if we have a 2 minutes red candle here. That's a lot of rejection here. But we have also a lot of support here. It feels like I'm looking for a trade, forcing myself for a trade. That's what I feel right now, looking for a trade. When instead I should just wait for an entry. Revenge trade, I have to see. Okay, here is rejecting. Mm. 43. I'm just looking for a trade. Let's calm down. Just chasing. Oh, every time I drink, I just spill water over me. Okay, we're rejecting that level, I said, but we need to break this one. Maybe then I will look for a short. I do believe I will look for a short after that. We have some confirmation. For the moment, let's wait. What a boring situation we have right now. We're making lower highs in NQ, but this can be broken in one shot, and then we move to the downside. And kind of the same on ES, having a lot of resistance at this level. How long we still have for this candle to close on the 5 minutes? 3 minutes, 2 minutes and a half. Okay. Do I have my trade copper as well for mass? I need to check it out. No, I don't have it. Such. Come on. I don't know. My trade copper does not save. Sometimes when I got out from Ninja Trade. Boring situation for the moment. Oh my god. There is a guy that yesterday blew up 50k account when he was up 50k. I don't know from where I can find that post so I can share it with you. Okay, good side. I will. Oh wow. Okay, I was gonna say. Oh. Okay. Okay, understood now. Here we don't have the global. No thanks, correct. I was gonna say, oh, the long is good. No, we just tweaked high. Probably grabbing some stop loss, and maybe we're gonna start to go down. Or this just was a fake move. It's Fomc day. In the end, we have the news at 8 p.m. European time, Berlin time, Paris time, as you wish, or at 2 p.m. New York time. Okay, if we break these levels, we might start to make lower lows in NQ. And my idea of rejecting this level, maybe, would that be correct? Okay. Such a lot of consolidation in that area. I guess Nati is gonna get stopped out. Yes, he got stopped out since before. He's selling right now. I do believe now we're in a sell moment. I will make looking. This is the level on NQ that if we find support here, this is the level that we're gonna find support. If we don't find support here, then we're gonna go down. Okay, we're going down. Let's see how it goes. The idea of shorting ES on the top here was correct, but I didn't want to chase and grab at the, try to get the top. So if we get a nice rejection of these levels right now, I will be happy to short. And I will be happy to short as well on these levels on NQ. Here, I will be happy to short. Let's see how it goes. If we create a rejection on these levels, I will short. Nasdaq. Where is the... Okay. Oh, okay. Be nice to short at these levels. Just waiting for it to find me, to show me a rejection. Would be nice. And I will go short, looking maybe for these lows here. But I would love this red candle to don't go right way down. That would be so bad, so fast. Yeah, that's it. Too fast for me. I'd like to see it be a consolidation. That was my idea is to short at this level, but I don't want to short chasing the downside. This can be one leg, and this could have been the second leg, but I was hoping for more consolidation coming back here, and then we have a nice ground to the downside. We might get it now to like 5 minutes. How long do we still have over here? 2 minutes. Okay. Let's see how it goes. Okay, we'll come back up. Let's see, I'm just waiting to see how it reacts at this level here. There's a little top. Gonna go short.
Order submitted.
Very tight stop loss. So we're risking very little. Risking 5 points. That's with less contrast than before. So we're gonna make 50, 43. Very little trade. If it works out. I like the 5 minutes still being red. I like the possible continuation to the downside, so I do believe it's a good trade, and I like the fact that it's a nice only 5 pound stop loss. So, and because we reject these levels, I hope the level that we should retest at least to think about go up again should be at least these levels here. So we should get our profit target. Oh, look at ES! Oh my god, ES is the thing that will stop us most probably. Very strong ES. Let's see. We have time. We give the room for it. We don't need to rush it. We might reject. We might not reject. What we are thinking is a second leg. One leg, second leg. So we are thinking about, what is it? One leg, second leg. So we should have at least move until here. So we're not chasing that much. We are just chasing for beautiful 10 points. Come on, give us the 10 points.
Order
nice.
filled.
Stop loss and break even. That was a nice 2-to-1 risk reward. We had one leg, second leg was coming up, so I'm not gonna go for the. I didn't go for the 4 or 5 accounts, not just because we are in very possible bounce. So 2 macros made me already $40, and I still have 1 macro as a runner. If we break these levels right now, well, we'll be very happy person. And I have my stop loss above this 5-minute candle that just opened. It's a good stop loss. Very happy with this trade. Nice, very tight stop loss. 5 points, 10 points as a profit target. I did not move my profit target. I took my 10 points, and let's try to have a nice runner. Beautiful would then be have a runner to the. Oh my god, did I have the 1 minute? Oh my god. Oh my god. I swear I thought that's a mistake. That's a very big mistake. I thought these were 2 minute candle and they were closing faster, but I did not realize it because I was concentrated on the trade, and I thought these were 2 minutes candles instead. 2 minutes candle is like that. All the best, all the best. Could have done better. I think my entry would have been probably somewhere here. Still probably a winner trade, but not very good on my side. Beautiful right now, because if we break these lows, we have this as a target. Let's go. And it's around 35 points more. So I'm not gonna touch it. So I'm will be happy with this. So stop loss in break even, right? I do believe it's in break even. Yeah, so even just a tick above it, so we can get the condition back on it. That's it. This is the 5 minutes candle. If we if it's a nice 5 minutes continuation, we should not break 5 minutes levels. But look at ES on the right, so it's a good thing to have a stop loss in break even. If here right now we reject, nice. If here we bounce, this definitely is not good, and we might have a back up to the highs. We're still retesting the pre-market high here, guys, so that is the reason why we are bouncing again here. Yeah, it's not happening. 3, 4, 25. Okay, we're gonna get stopped out from our runner, and that candle is closing in 1 minute and a half, but I'm not gonna. We're gonna get stopped out. And is the moment of the truth, because if we reject this level, we might reject here as well. If we don't reject these levels right now, we're gonna push higher. Even here, it's a good long, by the way. Yeah? If you enter long here, it's a good long. You're stopping. The only thing is that the stop loss is very bit low, 49 to 32. You have like a 17 stop loss points, so your target should be at least 35 points higher. So you're at least aiming for the over the highs of the day. Well, hopefully we reject right now. That will be the luckiest stop loss ever. Beautiful. Beautiful, coming back. We need this candle to close red, because it would mean this rejection is strong. Let's go. Let's go. Let's how many? 4, 24, 25. come on. We would love to see this little runner go at least here. 100. This is my goal, to be honest. 105. That is my goal for this runner to go. 40 points. That will be nice. We'll be very happy to close it at that level. Before we have been stopped out for nothing, and then it ran in my direction. So sadly, leaving us with 34 to, let's say, 20 points at least higher. So that's very, look at this. You might think that was the rejection, and that instead is possible support for the long side. We just check the 5 minutes, weeks on weeks, and if we don't reject right now, means this is strong, and this might be good for a long. But we believe on the 2 legs formation of the market, guys. 1 leg, submit consolidation. It can be here, it can be here, but then we probably go to retest these levels at the 2nd leg. How I traded before, that was my reason why I entered here, is because I had in the 2 minutes 1 leg, consolidation, 1 leg. It was in a 1 minute chart, not 2 minutes. And it was perfect because it was at these levels. So okay.
Order filled.
And I got stopped out. Means that the long direction was good. We're having support right now. And we get, how much we get? We got $20, $40 gain on these trades because we took 10 points at least. Yes, I do believe we took 10 points. Yes, we took 10 points, so we took a $20 and $40 gain. And our runner was in a good position break even, because I do believe if we have broken this level, we'll have a nice run to the upside. It didn't happen, so we're not here for hope. We're here to make some money, and because it's Fomc, let's do as well. Push our luck. Maybe we need a little song in the background to avoid all this sound, all this noise background. As a little song that is not copyright. I can, let me see. YouTube, no copyright song, music. We have a royal free music, no copyright music. No. I think we have other music for content creators. No. The heck? I know there is a YouTube, the possibility to have music with no copyrights directly from YouTube, and I was using them, and I don't find the link. Free, maybe it's free. No. YouTube audio library. Maybe I found it. Yes. Please make some relaxing one. Audio library YouTube. Let me see if I can improve this. Put in some background. Okay. I'm just killing this laptop. I'm gonna do it here. Okay, for the moment the day is going well. Okay, really, yes, it's pushing higher. So that was a very good execution of this trade. I'm very happy with it. This probably was the best execution as a trade that I've done today. This was, even if this one made more money, this was executed much better. For the moment, yeah, the market is just, I think we are in a probably creating a range before Fomc. So maybe we're just making this range until Fomcs come out, and then we're gonna decide a direction. And as well, look at the wicks here on ES. Doesn't not make anything easy right now. Okay, maybe I'm gonna put same. So I'm gonna put that. I need like the epics image right now. So wait for my affiliate link. Banner and links. I should have my. No, that's not what I'm looking for. Remember that if you use my code, you can get 50% discount in Epic's funding account. And it's everything below this video. You can have all the information regarding it. Just trying to add an image in this live, but it's not working. I don't know. Wow, ES is really strong today. I mean, also is our Nasdaq. This was a good long, as I said before, but we were in a short trade position, so I'm not gonna look for change my mind when I was hope. That is the fact. It's because I entered here. I took my 10 points and I had my runner, so my runner blocked me of thinking that can be a long situation. As I said before, the best would have been here, enter 48.50, stop loss below, so we are 16, yeah, really 16 point stop loss, so means it should have been 32 points more, so let's say 50, we're going for 90, yeah, 90 and something, somewhere here should have been our profit target, because we're risking, yeah, we're risking quite a bit, a few points. So when you risk this much, you need to make back the same. Oh no, wait, that's one of my mistake. That's some such bad calculation. My profit target should have been around 80. So yeah, I think we'll have already hit our target. Let me make some triangle. Yes, it will do my stop loss. Okay, can you give me? red, and then we just copy this and we move it. Okay, can you come on? This okay. I'm hating right now this ninja trade. I need a light green. Okay. One. And two. Yeah. So the profit target would have get taken. Yes, that was a 1 to 2 risk reward. So the trade would have worked. Even the beauty of this trade would have worked very fast. So no drawdown, and you know you would have a head drawdown here, but then it would have worked in less than 10 minutes. So that's a very good trade. Unfortunately, we were not in, but it's okay. It is okay. I didn't expect these kind of moves on a Fomc day, to be honest. I'm very impressed by it. By how the last 3 days, even with this so many news, we are making new highs and making very nice moves. I don't get it. I really need to improve this audio of the microphone. It's somehow super low. Even if I'm speaking that's super close to it, it's not working very well. Oh. Look at that, he has gone crazy. I put some music in the background, but I think it's just worse. Yeah, I'm gonna remove it. Okay. So this was the possible trade. This was a retest of the pre-market level. It did not happen. I was hoping for a test of this level and probably move for upside direction, but look at yes, freaking yes. Wow, what the heck is doing yes right now? It's really pushing. We might retest this level, and I think probably forgot for a longer side this entry. Quick trade to the upside. Thinking for one leg, second leg formation. Looking at it right now. Would be nice to go a bit more downside, a bit more of a pullback. I wish. That's not gonna happen. I'm not gonna chase it. Even if this looks good for like little consolidation, push upside, I'm not gonna do it. The stop loss would have been okay tight, but That was the only thing on this possible trade. Wow, that's insane move in the last 15 minutes. Yeah, even less. 508, 524. Yeah, that's his 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Very nice move. And the 5 minutes looks good, but our test level now it's 73, so around this area. Up for the day, up $180 in two accounts and up $325 in the other account. We have 3 trades and 3 trades green on the day. 3 out of 3. Very nice how I traded. I'm very happy with it. So I'm not disappointed at all. Missing trades is normal. I missed 2 trades today. Out of I took 3. I could have taken 5. But yeah, like I could have taken as well other red trades. Oh my god. Okay, what have been my stop loss here? 87, very tight stop loss. 5 points again. Would have been a very quick 5 to 10 points leg trade, but it did not work out. I mean, it worked out. I was not in. Wow. Wow, that's a freaking move in ES. How the heck we are moving right now when Fomc is in less than 2 hours and a half? Wow. I don't know. I'm just speechless. Speechless. Can you say speechless? Yes, you can. Wow. Oh my god. But how long it sucks when you like don't enter in the trade that definitely has the good runner. I went for this as a runner, hopefully rejecting the highs of the day and going down, but we end up going freaking high, and this would then be a runner of 50 points. Sad, very sad. And we don't have any pullback, so it's okay. We just wait. The pullback will come, and we just need to be ready for it. I like how I pass my time just scrolling Wall Street bets and see if someone YOLO his life. I'm just laughing about the comments. Guys, there is nothing to do right now. My idea of possible retesting these lows did not happen, and as well here on the 5 minutes chart we did the second leg in ES. So we have one leg coming back here. This is the low. Yes, we're going to go here and then second leg. So here now we did one leg. I was hoping for a second leg, but we might come and form it right now. So what I'm gonna do this is remove this, keep only the red one, and I use the red one on the next trade as a profit risk reward. I like them. So we come back here and we make a green candle. I will be happy to enter long. What do we have? The 5 minutes. Yes, looks 15 minutes. Just need to have a better general visualization of everything. So the green line is the line of support of ES if you come back to retest it. And NQ, we have this level here around this area, 84. Very slow. I'm not gonna enter if we don't retest these levels. Let me see. I'm saying it, but I like this bigger retest on ES. Quick on the 5 minutes. But our 2 minutes candle just opened now. We will be risking 8 points. Too early to enter. This area is the retest area. I would love for this to come back, or at least make a green candle if I want to think about a long side. The 15 minutes candle just closed as well, so we have many new information right now. We have a 15 minutes green candle close with a wick above, and a 5 minutes red candle just opened from here to here. So that's 1 point, and we're like just looking for a possible consolidation. Maybe we'll go for long. Stop loss here 93. 2 ones, 8 points. The retest told them invest here, but I think it might push higher right away because of this quick consolidation here. We want to enter. I have 30 seconds for this candle to close. Now my stop is being increased by a lot, so we have 10 point stop loss right now, almost. If we close and we come back a bit down, I may try to buy it for a better price.
Order submitted.
Let's see. I enter for a better price. This was my goal. Risking 6 points. I guess the 12 points. Somewhere here. Let's see how it goes. It's a very quick trade, and let's see how it goes. Maybe this is the first red trades of the red trade of the day. I don't like that we're breaking in here. That's what I was hoping for ES to push on this little support. Let's see. Are we gonna get stopped out? For the moment, it looks it might go even more down, but we wait for it. I don't understand. 19.99. So we have 6 points and a half. So 12, 13 points. So that's okay. Profit target's fine. I'm gonna go for a little break and come back. This might be a stop one, but will I get stopped out?
Order filled.
I got stopped out. I get back $50, $70. So my idea of retesting these levels was a good idea. Yeah, it happens. I kind of chase it, I guess. $130 up. I get back the profit of the previous trade, I guess. How much did I lose? 92. No, sell. Bought at 92. I bought here 99 and 92. 99 is yeah, 6 points and a half multiplied by 4 accounts, so around 20, let's say 24, and multiplied by 2, it's around $50 loss. It's okay, it's a good loss. That's let me get my quick 5 minutes break. And I'm coming back very quick. might be longer, go long now. The 5 minutes looks good. We are breaking the previous body, but I wanna have a confirmation on the 2 minutes that this was the low. For the moment, we're not having any confirmation. Alright, let me come back in 5 minutes. How is the situation right now? We just closed the 5 minutes candle, so that was green. Okay, this would have been an entry for me, but we are rejecting right now. See if it is good entry. How's the 15 minutes? I'm gonna go long.
Order filled.
This would have been a trade for me, so I'm risking 88 points, became 16. Okay, could have done better in this trade here, but it's okay. Let's see how it goes. It would be nice to have a nice push to maybe grab some liquidity, and maybe the people that they want to short, and they can go short. But just let us grab our trade, or it's gonna stop us. That will be my fourth trade on these accounts. It doesn't want to go. It's gonna stop us. Yeah, it's gonna stop us. How it looks right now, we're just making lower highs. How is the 15 minutes chart? Even if I look at it now, does look good for a possible retest. The retest level is here, 80. Yeah, let's get stopped out.
Stop filled.
And yes, we are moved down $140 from the top. We tried once, twice to go for the long side. It did not work out. In the end, we are retesting these levels. The levels I said at the beginning. I liked this one more than the first one, because here we had the 5 minutes green candle. It did not work. We'll figure it out soon. If this is the downside moment, or this is just a retest to the upside. We're testing the levels right now, I think. Yeah. Okay, someone is at the door. I'll come back in 5 minutes. What the markets want to give us. For the moment, the markets wants us to suffer a bit. 73, this area, this can be the test area. For the strength we had here, yes, this was my little pullback, but I did not take it. I was hoping for like major pullback, then come back, but I didn't expect for that huge. so we accept it. Una. So. Okay, this is the retest level we wanted from the beginning. How is the 15-minute chart on the ES? Yeah, it looks like that can still go long. Still can bounce. One leg, second leg, but yeah. We've done the 2 legs on ES. I guess that was a chase from my side. One leg, second leg. Yeah, not the best, but maybe one leg it's even less, but yeah. What else we can see right now? Fall for 21.75. Okay, see 7.25. Okay, I'm waiting for this final. If this final is kind of close green, might go for a long again. We'll see. Maybe this can be my third consecutive. Hanson, I used to follow you when you were trading option. It wasn't successful, unfortunately. Now I to move to future and I'm going to attempt not exchanges. Hello, brother. Yeah, it's been a long time as well that I have not traded. I've not traded anything on YouTube. I didn't show anything. So many things changed. Options, I think, are very good way to make money, but they need a different mentality when you trade them, and you need a good risk management on them, especially because they have delta part and everything. It's not very mechanical, right? Like for example, here when I enter long here, my stop loss is here. I know how much I'm gonna lose. With the futures contract, with the options, I don't know how much I'm gonna lose because my stop loss can be triggered a few points below because of freaking delta, right? So how is going for you right now? How is the futures going well? With Apex, I think it's a good way. There was a discount until now. I don't know if my code that there is below the link works for give you 20% or 50% discount. You can check it out and see which discount you find on the internet that is better. But until a few days ago, there was a 50. Wait, I'm thinking about to go long right now. The 5 minutes candle closed green. One leg. Wow. Thinking to go long, but it's coming back right away. Is this maybe one leg, second leg? I'm just trying to understand if this is a real support we're finding at this level. So how is it going for you now, AD? How is it going for you trading with futures? The good side of Apex is that sometimes you really get nice discounts, and you can make some money. You can have some challenge account for very cheap price. Okay.
Order filled.
Gonna go long. 83.75, 8 points. So means 16. So means 99. Somewhere around here. Will I get stopped out again? There is a high chance that I'm gonna get stopped out again. Yeah, tell me about your trades, trading AD. How is it going? Wow. If I get stopped out here, that's me over trading for sure. I exaggerated too much of over trading. Even if I don't get stopped out, it's over trading in any direction. Wow, that's a very second leg coming out here. Ay. I hope it will flip, or if it does not flip, I am gonna get cooked. I'm gonna move. Oh my god, yeah. Yeah. What a bad over trading. I was up 180 on these two accounts today. It's very bad. Very bad on my side. But tell me about you, Eddie. How is it going for you? How is futures, or at least these new futures trading? How options was going? Why did you move out? Or anyway, how is it going in general for you? We need to break this level here, 84, to really think about any possible upside. I entered here because I thought it was gonna break with that quick green to red candle, red to green candle, for us like a momentum to the upside. Now we're gonna probably get stopped out. I'm thinking about even get out before in advance. We have some support here, but does it really work? How long we still have? 20 seconds for this candle to close. Yes, it's pushing down. Yeah. Oh, we have a 5 minutes only. Yes, 5 minutes green candle. We really need to break this level to really think about this wall workout. Come on, need a push. I think there was an 80% discount, but not right now. They got back. Yeah, that's it. They really go back and forth with these discounts. And because I think there is Monday public holiday, I do believe we might have a nice discount again. I'm gonna get stopped out, and I'm sure it's gonna get stopped out and push higher. Okay, at least I haven't lost a lot of money with options. My result aren't showing I have a clear edge yet. Yeah, I have a clear edge yet. Okay, at least in backtesting. Okay, at least that's the good side, is that you managed well your loss sides. You know, you did not blow accounts right and left, adding money, blowing more accounts, and making stupid trades like this one I'm making right now. So at least on that side, you're doing well. So.
Or stop failed.
Oh my god. Back on break even on these accounts. Oh wow. My name is Ashraf. I'm Moroccan, living in Spain. Oh, Ashraf. I'm Moroccan as well, but I do live in France. So, okay, well, not that far. Where are you from in Morocco? Bad execution. Free bad execution on being too biased here. Really too biased. I'm not happy with it. How, like, that's what happened to me usually, is I give back all the profit being too biased in one direction. I got stopped out once, stopped out twice, stopped out 3 times. My previous 2 trades that were green got wiped out with these 3 trades. Sorry for the background noise, my friend. It's not. I'm gonna try to fix it the next days. We still have 4 minutes to this hour candle to close. From Australia, born and grew up in Tangier. Ah, okay. And now you're in Spain, working, studying. You sound more like a student. It sound as a student. You're still a student. Am I wrong? Not happy for giving back the profit today. Fomc news in 2 hours. Very bad for my thing I've done now. I have to get not too greedy. Oh, taking break. Okay, sounds good as well. I think it's founding accounts. It's a good way to trade, but don't lose too much money on your personal things. Yeah, in the end, if you use Apex account for with the discount, you just play with 20-30 euro for challenge, and if you get founded, you pay the 100 euro, so at least you're paying around 150 if everything goes well with one shot. But at least we have like a $2,000 drawdown that you can lose instead of your own personal money. So I think it's a good way to trade when you're not working and you don't have like a consistency on your trading. That's like me right now. That's why I'm doing founded accounts. That's a good way. Improve, backtest a lot, test as well during the day. Test the execution is the most important, one of the most important things. I don't have a Discord right now, but probably I'm gonna create soon or add people on it. So if you keep up, I'll probably create a Discord in the next weeks. It depends on how this YouTube channel goes well. If it starts to create some people coming, then I might think about creating a Discord. It would be nice to have like especially Discord with many European people because for the moment every time and have some meetings with traders in Europe, because many times we have only US people, US discourse, US meeting, this trading meeting. So it sucks that we cannot be inside this kind of group, right? That's what for me it sucks a bit. All right, coming back very quick. So, but cool. But I will update you. I will update you if I will open something that will accept everyone. In the end, here we are all in the same levels, right? We have been trading for years, 2-3 years. We are just trying to move to the side of profitable. That is the difficult side. And yeah, today I was up $200 on 3 accounts and 2 accounts, and with 3 right trades, trying to chase this upside for a new push. I got cut. That sucks. Oh wait, we might have a short side here. You see, 227 5. We really buying on support, shorting on support. I really want to do that. I'm thinking about it. Here would need a nice support. Here a nice comeback down. I'm thinking about if I should short if we break this level. It's 27, 25, 27 will be my entry. And my stop loss will be 5 points, most probably. 51, yeah. And we have Fomc in 2 hours, so that's the most important fix. We might chop around here. I got chopped out here, not chopped out, I got bad entries, thinking about for a long continuation, but very bad on my side. How long have you been trading, ID? Oh, Ashraf, how long have you been trading? We still have 2 minutes for this candle. There's 5 minutes candle to close. Probably this can be a good entry for the long side. In 21, same as me. 22, 23, yeah, same as me. So we are on the same level. We are there close to make it happen, but we just cut our legs. In my case, I cut my legs with emotion trades. So I cut my legs so that way I do mistakes with the emotion side of myself. Let me just put the order.
Submitted.
Even if it's not my best things ever, but the strategy is there, so I have to follow it.
Order submitted.
I got filled. Wow. That's a long, big stop loss. I might give the profit I got before, but the strategy is there, so we have to follow it. 27, I got filled, 31.50. That's a 4.5. So means we are trying to trigger 9 points profit. So means 27, 37, 36. Sorry, 27, 17, 18. The heck. Oh wow, opening print level. Oh, that would be amazing if we come back to opening print level. This is gonna be a long trade. right. That, you know, that what happens when you try to find consistency somewhere because you think it's somewhere else. It's not happening here, so then you think consistency somewhere else. But then you go to somewhere else, you find a bit of consistency, and then you're like, oh wait, and then you make again the same mistakes as before, and you're like, oh, this is not working. Maybe I should go back to what I was doing before. It happened before to me. I did futures, then I went back to options, then I went back again to futures. So that is the part that sucks about trading, is that there is a lot of emotions involved many times. I mean, emotion is the biggest problem for me. Emotion is the biggest problems, and unfortunately, I'm not the best on it. Unfortunately, yeah, I make many mistakes on that side. So, but I like that we did the same. We did the options. Then in interactive broker, we moved to futures. You know, at least now futures. The good side of futures, Ashraf, is that at least we have only two things to see. I just look at ES and Nasdaq. That's the only things I do. ES and Nasdaq every day. With the futures, with the stocks, I was checking Nvidia, Tesla, AMD, Microsoft, trading, checking NQ, checking yes. So many things were there. So it was annoying. Let's see if we will get stopped out. The trade is there. I like the wick to the downside. It means we're gonna have some momentum to the downside. It means we have to reach the open print of the day. So that's a lot of move to the downside, to be honest. Yeah, man, same. I was trading so much Tesla before, so much Tesla. Trading Tesla every time. Oh my god. Options were amazing one side, but very bad in another side. Very bad in another side. So Tony Montana. I don't know the guy. Was he good? Tony Montana. I never heard that. Tony Montana. Oh, wow. Sorry. Let me search Tony Montana. Oh yeah, wait. Tony Montana trader. That's it. I guess I found his channel. Oh wait. This is his. Oh wait. Cause here. Was it good? Did you improve something, learn something? How is the Nasdaq here? How does it look on the 15 minutes chart? Are we bouncing on that level? Yeah, we are bouncing. So I don't think my short is gonna work if we keep Nasdaq that strong. We have 6 minutes to this candle. That sucks. That sucks so much. Don't like these candles too. I mean, how is the 5 minutes? Yeah. Hopefully we reject. For the moment, it doesn't look good for rejection. Means that I probably enter on support here, but we give it its time. It stop us, but let's don't freak out. He treats the break and retest in his own way. I learned a few things and it was nice to see but I still struggled. Yeah, that is the point, my friend, is that no matter which strategy you see and no matter which people you see applying the strategy, in the end everything comes to you, to how you trade and how you execute. Because no matter, a guy can come to you with a strategy and tells you have to enter here, stop loss here, and your profit target has to be here. But your execution is just not the same. You're just gonna make mistakes and not applying what he says. Yes, I took in these 2 accounts I do for breaking retest. Okay, and so what I did 1 good trade, 2 good trade, and then 3 little trades that put me in break even. So I'm not happy with it, to be honest. And here I trade mostly continuations. For example, here I like the bounce. On this level, I played a continuation to the upside, and here I'm thinking of a possible rejection and continuation back to this opening print level. Stop loss is just above this candle. That was as well my support. Yeah, it's correct. It's one tick high. Looking at it right now, we might really get stopped out because the NQ is having a green flicking candle on this support, so I don't like that. And probably this is gonna be my last trade. I'm gonna close it like this for today. Look at this 10 minutes candle. Buyers are here, support, and we might go for a long side, but yeah. But the fact is I trade two different just to see which one works better, as well on emotion side. And for the moment, emotion side, this one works better because it's more mechanical. I enter, I have my stop loss there, my profit target is here, and I don't touch it. Here instead I have more of a thinking of 15 minutes chart, 10 minutes chart, see what is a possible retest is happening. And for the moment it was happening at this level, but I don't want to go against my trades here. Would say that this would be that this one is wrong if I go long here. And yeah, what I hope is this is probably just a rejection and continuation to the downside, but who knows. We keep it like that. And today is Fomc anyway, so I don't want to look for any more trades. This was a trade. It will probably put me back in break-even on the day if I get stopped out, and it will be all for accounts in break-even. So I'll relax a bit right now. That was the break-in retest I was waiting for. It happened on the 15 minutes chart. Yeah. Come on, please reject. This is a V. I don't like that, but reject. The good side is that if you can have a mechanical strategy, more mechanical it is, better it is for your emotions. So if you have a strategy that is, I don't know, a strategy can be anything, like if the 15 minutes chart candle is green and the 5 minutes it is as well, and the 1 hour it is as well, then I will enter on the 2 minutes breaking this level, something like that. It can be anything like that. And you know that you back tested and it will work on the in the long run, but yeah. Yesterday I entered in this trade. I don't know if you're still there, AD. But well, I'll speak by myself. Yesterday I entered in this trade here. Okay. Freaking hell. Here I entered here. Wait. Yes, I entered. No. Wait, I'm totally wrong. Yes, it's correct. I entered here, and my stop loss was here, 0.0775, and I almost got stopped out twice by 1 tick. Obviously, it was a good stop loss, but this trade brought me back to green on the day, and now this trade is gonna take me. It's gonna take me out. Yeah. I believe that is the best way to have a good strategy. Less your emotions are involved, better it is and easier for you to make some nice trades. So in this case, I was looking for the break of this level. Stop loss is just below the candle that broke the level, and I'm gonna go for a 2-to-1 risk reward, and that's it. And I'm trying to see if I can make money as well using breaker test with kind of some emotions involved, but for the moment I'm still making too many mistakes on that. Like for example here, chasing. Yeah, I had the 2-minute green candle opening, but it felt some kind of chasing. Here I might go for a long, to be honest, because I believe I'm gonna get stopped out. Let me see if this closes. So I like this long run consolidation and second leg up. 15 minutes looked amazing. We're gonna go long.
Order submitted. Stop failed.
I got stopped out. That was I'm risking. How much I'm risking right now? I'm risking 73.87 points. So 95, 94. In the end, I got stopped out here. Okay, I'm not breaking even a day. I'm just $100 up. That's good. I expected worse. Okay, that's fine. Unfortunately, I got stopped out, but the most systematic strategy I think is probably the best. Literally, I think I do believe is the best things ever. So now what I'm thinking right now is that we have one leg, pull back, second leg, and the second leg can go up to this level, so my profit target is in a good position, and I do like it. We have areas of support here. That's where we got our support, resistance, so it's a good trade. And we see our ES as well pushing back after the support. This makes it like in 2 trades, one green and one trade, and one red on that one. Short. I'm putting I'm putting the data on my Excel to see where my statistics are going. I lost 727 and 3150, so means that is a 4.5 stop loss. Yeah, so my profit target was 9. And I got stopped out for minus 4.5, and the strategy resulted in the same outcome. Okay, so means I'm up 2 points on the day. That is correct, and it shows it as well. It shows it as well on my data. So we'll keep it for the moment. Hopefully this goes to profit target. Finger crossed. It'd be nice to bring back these accounts to green. Let's still move our take profit. That's what I've been doing in the last period, moving my take profit because I'm scared, and then my take profit gets eaten. So, right, someone is calling me. Okay, I'm back. Sorry guys, my cousin called me for some help. Okay, we got back some pullback on our entry. Let's don't touch anything. Let's evaluate the situation. How is the 15 minutes chart looking? I do like the 15 minutes chart. Okay, still calling me again. Back again. Wow, because he lost his wallet, so he's asking me to see if I can find it for him. Don't like this. Don't like this at all. Don't like it anymore. Thinking about cut it out. If it doesn't give us a push right now, thinking to cut it out. Because this is rejecting this level. Nah. $20 seconds to this candle to close. How long we still have? 2 seconds of this support. Hopefully this is we have a push the upside. If not, if it goes below this level, I do believe we're gonna come back to this one. So I think I'm gonna move my stop loss on that low. Where is it here? Yeah. Ah, la, la. It's very bad on my side today. Closing these 2 accounts red when I was up $200. Not happy with it. Fomc news in 1 hour and a half. It's very unfortunate. The 50 minutes chart looked good. Yes, I was hoping for like nice push to this level. And because we had a nice consolidation here, a nice week on the 50 minutes chart, I was hoping for quite a big push. For the moment, it's not happening. We can try to jinx it and just speak bad about it. Oh, I'm gonna get stopped out. But for the moment, yeah. Where is your trailing stop of the account now? You mean how much I can lose on the account before I blow it up or something like that? It's still quite far because there's both are 50. I'm gonna tell you very quick. In these 2 accounts where I'm red today, yes, okay. The 2 accounts where I'm red today, it's at 50. It should be around 48,000. It should be around that amount. So I'm quite far. I'm gonna get stopped out now. 48,000. Oh my god. Yes, 2,500 trading stop loss. But
Stop
it is trailing drawdown that gets updated on real time. So if you go up $500 on your position and you don't close it and it comes back to break even, then your trailing stop moves 500 up. So you have to be careful on that side. Got stopped out. Down $70 on the day. Wow, I was up 180. Unfortunate, really. Wow. That, yeah, if you mean the trading drawdown sucks, yes, but I mean it gets you to be consistent. If you speak about my trade, yeah, it sucks as well. I was expecting for a nice. I mean, I was up. How much I was up? 80. Now I was up almost 10 points, and it came back to me. Unfortunate. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade anymore right now. So we have 1 hour and a half to this freaking Fomc. Only things, maybe I can get short here again at this level. It's coming back again, so we can give it another shot. The stop loss will be smaller, but that's the only things I might do. $25.70, yeah. I will put my order just to be ready there. Wait, can you give me the order? Okay.
Order submitted.
I will just put the order there. It sucks. Maybe I should really, on these 2 accounts, move to the same strategy as this one, because I am more consistent on that one and I make less trades. I make like 2 or 3 trades on this strategy per day, maximum 3. So I have less emotions on it, and for the moment it's working better because I'm up 1k. It sucks. I have 3 points. Yeah, I might just copy it on the others. Sucks. I was up 180. That sucks from my point. Being up that much, and then it's not that much either. It's not that huge number, but being up and then giving back with 1, 2, 3, 4 consecutive red trades. That is as well a signal. I think this is I should apply that thinks that if I get 2 consecutive red trades, I should really stop. I like this V coming here. This is a possible second leg, but did not happen. Yesterday it happened the same. I can show you, and I did not take it properly. Where is it? Yeah, yesterday was this first thing, almost same things, come back. This was a second leg to the upside, and I did not handle it well. I could have done much more, but my emotions were not there. So I was trying to apply the same trade idea, but it did not happen. Yeah, I do agree with that. Tomorrow is another day. Usually we blow accounts because we trade too much on one day. We don't accept that we can have red days. Instead, red days are standard. The last days have been very slow on these accounts where I play breaker test. You see, I'm up nothing, $100 and 43. I have to make 3,000, and yeah, I could have done much better here. Instead, I'm at 1k, so I still have 2k to do before I get my profit target. Now I'm just debating if I should take this trade. That will be my third trade on this account, and probably will be as well the last one on that. At least from tomorrow, there's no news. There's no Fomc. There is nothing. I mean, there is maybe some news, but it's not important as today and yesterday. And I think as well tomorrow I'm gonna apply this strategy on all accounts. So let's see how it goes. I'm gonna get filled. Ready for another stop loss. Are we gonna get filled? Break this level. Up for 0.25 tick for my entry. It has to break. Look how my entry was the support at this level here.
Order submitted.
Okay. 25, 75. And we are aiming for 3.75 is the stop loss. So we're aiming for 6.3. Okay, my brain is 7.50. Yes. So means we have to go to here. I do believe so. I'm not sure, to be honest. No. Yeah, right. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, brother. See you next time, brother. See you whenever you want, whenever you feel to be in my stream. It's appreciate anyway that you came and you texted me on the chat. Thank you, brother. Appreciate. My trip in Asia was amazing, brother. It was amazing. I really enjoyed it. It was a beautiful trip. It was not expensive. I was very happy, and yeah, it was an amazing trip. I'm very happy with all of it. I did Thailand Laos, Vietnam, Philippines, Indonesia, Singapore. 5 months trip was beautiful. I met so many people, amazing people, and it has been like just so much nice vibes all the way. So if you're thinking to do a trip, South Asia, South America, and everything is very nice. South Asia is cheaper, so it can be nice for that. But very beautiful people. As well the locals. I mean, even with the other backpackers. So I think if you ever think to do the same, I don't know how old are you, but if you ever think to do the same, I think it's a very nice opportunity. It's very nice. What a day. What a day. Giving back profits and profits. Sounds awesome. Maybe it was someday. I'm 26. See you later. See you later, brother. 26. You're younger than me. I did it when I was last year. That time when I was 29. So you have all the time to do it before they make you marry. You know, you understand me. So yeah, I think that's more like our Moroccan things. Before your family will tell you have to marry. But enjoy your day, brother. See you soon. See you in the next slide. Thank you very much again for coming. It was a pleasure. Really, it was a pleasure. Thank you again. Well, this trade will work this time. Second time I'm entering on this break, and it's gonna be as well. I'm done with trading with these accounts on the left side because I just over traded. I've done 2 good trades. I was up $200, and I get back everything, and I'm making even my day in red. So I'm not gonna over trade it. So I'm gonna accept my loss, and as well taking my last trade on the ES contracts. And I'm done as well on that side. If we break this level, this is my entry, we're gonna have a really nice downside momentum. We tried once, twice, 4 times, so I think this level is getting weaker, so the entry was good. I like as well the 15-minute chart on Nasdaq. We look weak to the downside, and yeah, just a matter of time, and hopefully this trade will work out, and we are gonna have a nice trade. 27, 1950, it's 7 points and a half. I think it's correct. I'm here doing this trade to enjoy the motion roller coaster on this trade. Yesterday was a green day. I think I was up $300 on 2 accounts and up $100 in the other 2. It was okay day. Today I guess it's the day of Fomc, so I probably exaggerated, even if it was not that very choppy, to be honest. The moves were there, I just did not take the best out of them. I do believe so. In Nasdaq on the left side, we had a really nice move here, and I was shorting here. I took my points, but being strong to flip to the upside should have been my way to do for the trade. We got new subscribers, so that's very nice. Thank you for the new guy. I don't know who you are. I don't get notification for the moment for new subscribers, but hopefully I will fix it soon. So we are at 384. and our goal is 400 subscribers end of the week. Are we gonna manage to do it? This break is not coming, guys. It's taking time, but we are not gonna rush anything right now. I do really like the 15 minutes chart on NQ. Hello, Rigo. What's up? How are you? My friend, today it started very good. I was up $300, $300, and $200, $200, and I gave back profit on a Nasdaq. I got a bit. I fought for a possible break retest here, and I got chopped out a few times. So that was my bad side. And now I'm shorting ES because we broke again the level. So on the short side. Today's Fomc, so I'm thinking about that. Okay, I have to be careful that news is in 1 hour and 15 minutes, but we still have time for these things to work, this trade to work. How are you, Rigo? I think I'm gonna call it after this trade. Limit your trades by build the discipline. Yeah, I should have put a trades limit, like 5 trades on the Nasdaq or stuff like that. 3 trades on the Nasdaq. Like put a limit on the day. I do agree on that side. So I overtraded for sure. At least on that side. I've done very well at the beginning, and then I was too biased on the direction of the trades. I think you've done good to not trade. Fomc, yeah. If this today comes red, we'll accept it. It's gonna be good content for people like in red days. So at least on that side we get maybe one more subscriber. There we go. There's one more subscriber. But this officially, this is my last trade. This is the third trade on this account, so that definitely is my maximum trades on these accounts. I'm not gonna ask for more. If this one comes red, it will be like a $100 loss, $150 loss in this account, so it will be okay. Copy. Can I copy paste this one here? Paste? No. Cannot copy paste in 2 different graphs. It's bullshit. Let me put the Jose rectangles. This is Jose rectangles, my friend. One. We put red. Copy, paste. Light green. I move them like he does them as well, like this. This is the Rigo. This is Jose way. Ah, can I? Oh. No, go back. Okay. Oh, it's so hard. And 3. This is Jose way, the beautiful rectangles. My stop loss and my profit target is 2 to 1. Oh, that looks beautiful. By the way, looks beautiful. Probably I'm gonna do that from now on. Just has a better idea of blocks of risk reward. Will I get stopped out again? The Jose box, right? Jose boxes. That's how he does it. So let's learn from him. If he sees these lives later. Jose boxes. My god, this trade is taking lifetime, man. Lifetime. I'm thinking about move the stop loss on the next 10 minutes candle on this one when it closes at in 20 seconds. So I will just reduce my risk. $28.75, so 29. Now we'll just call it 2 points. Yeah, I do like it. And I think I will be done on the day. It doesn't wanna. I mean, it's a good way as well. I think it's a good stop loss as well because it's just if it doesn't want to break now, it's gonna just bounce. And because Fomc is there, look at that level. It's just bouncing. It's just at that level right now. It doesn't want to break. It doesn't want to bounce. It doesn't want to do anything. 2 points loss. I think it's good. I think it means we're gonna close the day at 0. I would be happy with this with the loss, with the result. The Jose boxes. Yo. Getting stopped out in 3, 2, 1. How long has been our lag now? I think 4 or 5 hours. I wanted to stay here until Fomc, but I do believe I'm gonna call it myself. I'm gonna call myself out. I called it Fomc, Fomc. I don't have the energy to stay here. Analytics. I'm gonna check how the live stream is doing.
Stop filled.
Stop filled. Okay, closing the day at 0. Oh. Okay, remove. We keep this one, and we'll put it on the next trade. I try it again for short. Another break. One. How much was the stop loss? 3.75. Profit target 7.50. And I got out with -2. And we don't know yet. Entry of the previous. Oh, okay, I think we're done right now. We don't need any more to trade. It's in 1 hour. This is the Fomc. I moved my stop loss above this 10 minutes candle. If we break, it's gonna be bad. If we break it now, and we did not break before, but I'm not gonna watch it and cry, so I'm gonna call it myself out. So guys, thank you Rigo for coming. Thank you for everyone that came today, and I'm gonna close the live stream and enjoy the rest of the day for me. I'm not gonna create anymore, and even the Fomc, gonna leave it for tomorrow. So see you guys, see you everyone, see you next time. Thank you.